everybody. I'm at IKEA. I don't know if you can see. Let me turn this way so you can see right behind me. This is the closest IKEA to me, and this is the biggest in this area. It's in Asker, Norway. I'm going to take you guys in with me. So I just want to see inside here. It's Christmas, you know, so I've not been here for a while. I remember when the kids were small. Hello. When the kids were small, I used to come here all the time. This is called Small Land right now. It's so practical. You come, you put your children there, and then you go and shop. Market Hall, it says, in that blue door right there. So I don't think I can do the whole of IKEA right now. I'm not very sure, but maybe we'll just go up there. We start up there. I'm going to run as quick as possible and then come down. It's a very long time since I've been to IKEA, so this is going to be strange. I'm going to buy some few things. It's November. It's perfect. They have a restaurant right there. I do not want to go to the restaurant. I just want to follow this mark. My destination actually is downstairs, but let's just walk here. My destination is downstairs, but I'm just walking here so I can show you guys how it looks like. I don't think IKEA does very much for Christmas. I don't think so. I cannot tell you guys how many times I've made video here and I never did post it, especially when the kids were small. See? Nice sofa. If you are very rich, you can change everything to red. It's Christmas. I have to go as fast as possible. Just look around. IKEA is also ready for Christmas. I think you will see more Christmas things downstairs. Look at the stars. Welcome home. I need to buy one like that. I'm not going to buy the one that says Merry Christmas and I use it only once and it's finished. Okay guys. I can hear some music here. Just need to walk faster. Nice. Sofa beds. I want that right there. Because now I've become a grandma. It's dark. I don't think this place is very interesting. A lot of cupboards, shelves, those things that you buy once and you have them for 10 years minimum. It's very quiet here, guys. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. Is it? Nice office areas. Cool. Look at that. I think this is a gaming room. You know, IKEA always do this thing that you can just come here, mimic something, copy everything and go and put in your hands. My son will like this for Christmas as a surprise. I just give him a gaming room and he will be very happy. Block. I make my own. Guys, I'm going round. You know IKEA. Enter and you go round. By fire, by force. Oh wow, this place is giving Christmas. Look at these. I like the colors. Oh wow. I make a lot of biscuits. I make very good Christmas snacks. I say I'm the queen of Christmas snacks. That's why I'm fresh. This is nice, cute. Oh my god, look at this. I want to have this. Somebody give me this. Look at this. Fake. I don't think you can buy it. Okay. That was the first Christmas decoration I've seen so far. There's some lights there. How dark is this going to be? Look at that table. Beautiful. I don't think there's anybody in Norway who has... I think everybody in Norway at one point has something like this. Hands up, comment below if you have never had anything like this and you're living in the Scandinavian. Kitchen. Let's go. As I said, okay, this is the area of IKEA. This is the area of IKEA. I don't know if you guys have it wherever you are watching from. You come here if you want like a kitchen. You go to them and they help you to design your kitchen. Free. Yeah, we have fridges. A lot of IKEA fridges. And washing machine. Wow. Oh, IKEA is also selling this now. Or are they just selling the drink? The drinks. Small soup. Yeah. I have a dream. I have a dream. Praying for my dream right now. So we are going round. There, a lot of tags. Yeah, it's more like kitchen and dining rooms. I like the colors. Colors are good. I don't know why I was here all the time when the kids were small. All the time. Almost every second week we were here. Like this. Simple. I am planning to have the simplest. Oh, look at that. IKEA kunde radio. Parce que there is a you did one shoot or film. Okay. IKEA kunde radio, they said you should take care of your bags and your wallet, because those people are everywhere, even in Norway. The worst thing is when you're somewhere and you're least expecting that there will be a thief, somebody can steal from you, and then Yes. Got the bathroom there. I'm looking for a thumbnail. Does it look very IKEA? Let's go in here to this small room. Ooh, look at the colors. I used to like pink. I used to. But no more. This room is nice. So it's an attic room. Oh my god, they are just fantastic. So if you need inspiration of an attic room, you just come here. You come in here, voila, you have everything. Just copy and go and paste it at home. How long is this video going to be? If I actually don't start running. I'm going to buy this for my friend. Yes. Adrian, Finn is there? I was just asking if they have it downstairs. In my friends, both of them, my two friends, they never have shoe on. I always have shoe on because I hate to struggle with the shoes. More wardrobes. Nice. Oh, they even have my dress there. Oh, I love these. It's so beautiful. So nice. Good size shower. Not like the one I have. It's a toy. What is this? For 99 krona and 95 krona. Here you have a lot of bathroom stuff. All the same. Shower head. Those big shower head, I call them the rainforest shower head. I am going around. Now we are going to go into the children area. 14 minutes is gone. Yeah, you see? Bathroom. Those are Lekeland. Bamse. Oh, I love this. Look at that. Wow. Oh, when my daughter was small, she would love this so much. The blue room with the octopus and the one for the princess. Try to make yourself a princess. Oh my god, it brings back memory of when I was first pregnant. Oh my god, I went crazy, guys, crazy. I love the purple thing, guys. This is new. It's for children. Okay, maybe, just maybe, I'm coming out to a coffee shop now. Maybe I end this video here, maybe not. I don't know how long I'm supposed to make it, but if I do, have a beautiful one, guys. And remember to subscribe, like, and share. I went downstairs for some Christmas shopping, and that video you can watch on my channel, so please do that. Stay blessed. Bye.